My priestess. I didn't know you had seen me.
Don't do that again. It's only the evil that runs when nothing pursues it. I sense quietness. The palace is ostensibly quiet today. I'm sure you are glad about that.
No, not exactly. The priestess of Miriama, no.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you would prefer the serenity. Go ahead to where you were going. Mana matakwa. Okuko nuaro anachubi also. It's when they foul fat that the ground pursues it. Miriama. Your Majesty, your silence suggests you have no answer to any of my questions. And that is an insult to royalty and nobility. Igwe, the blood of the queen is on your hands.
How can you say such a thing, priestess of great Miriama?
Igwe anyi ye ife no na mkpu. Igwe anyi ye ife no na mkpu. Ife no na mkpu. Ife no na mkpu ye kponu ya. Ife no na mkpu. Ife no na mkpu ye kponu ya. Ikuku na bia. Anya mara ezi osi abia. Echi di ime anya mara ive oya mu. Igwe anyi ye ive no na mkpu. Oh! You finally broke the silence. When a man the gods entrusted with responsibilities has been swayed by the craftiness of his enemies, he loses the support of the gods. You have scooped a scorpion into your bosom. And Igwe, the scorpion must sting you.
Priestess of great Miriama, your presence in my present predicament should bring me some level of relief. But instead, it compounds it the more.
You are the architect of your misfortune. So deal with it. You are the highest authority in Umosoro. Employ your powers to your defense. But as you do that, remember that you shall give account of the blood of the queen to the gods.
Greetings, my king.
Aha, Ebube. Any success?
My king, it has been a very success. Yes, but I'm sorry to say nothing positive came out of it.
Did you people search all the nooks and crannies of the land?
Yes, my king. The search team did their best. But the only news we heard relating to this is that the beast attacked the palace here.
Are you sure of what you're telling?
Yes, my king.
Is he dead too?
No. Eluchi and Ime say that he has bones all over his body.
Utobo with bones all over his body?
Yes, my king.
Oh, be sure of what you're saying.
I'm very sure, my king.
Anyway, ask one of the guards to go and call Onowu for me. Quickly.
This path can only lead to the house of one man, Utobo. The only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. I want to believe you on your way to his house. But why in the company of your maid?
Utobo, that's not the best way to welcome someone's way. My maid. I brought her because I trust her, and she is now on my side.
You must be very careful. The only woman that knows where her husband is every night is a widow. She must excuse us. Yes. The battle is getting hotter. Tupo is enjoying it because I am equal to it. What is it that troubles you, my love?
I came to find out what your plans are about the oath of innocence. Because I saw Ugoloma at the palace just now. My maid, I brought her for you to blame her so that she can be fully loyal to me.
Oath of innocence. Which oath of innocence are you talking about? The death of Ezeako truncated that process. It truncated that. My love, don't be afraid. Just don't bother yourself.
No, I'm talking about Onowu. He is still alive. Why not make the gods kill him?
My love, as I said, don't bother yourself. Don't be afraid. The gods are going to take care of everything at their own time. Now, you said you want your maid to undergo the oath of secrecy.
Yes. I need her to be loyal to me. I need her to inform me about the goings in the palace. Anyone that breaks, she should tell me. I need to know. Because I trust no one.
Command her presence before us.
Fine.
Uju,
My queen,
come.
Are you loyal to your mistress?
Yes, I pledge total submission to her and loyalty. That is the most important thing.
You will have to undergo the oath of secrecy in my house. You may proceed.
Nai,
Yes.
are you saying Ugoloma confirmed they are dead?
She didn't actually do that. But she never sounded as if they are still alive. She further compounded my confusion when she told me that she mourns with the royal family.
That's not possible.
Yeah, come. My prince, where are you going to?
Father,
Yes.
where is my friend?
He just stormed out and didn't tell me where he was going to.
Auntie, allow me to.
Come! Ugo! Ha! Children of nowadays, they are very hot-blooded. All of them.
What happened? My father said you left without telling him what you're up to.
I need to face this matter squarely. It's my mother we're talking about.
I know. But what do you intend to do?
I want to go face my father. He has to tell me what happened to my mother.
My love, do you think the palace is safe for you? I mean, you are the real target of the enemy because you're the heir apparent to the throne.
If that palace is safe for my father, then it will be very safe for me. He has some explanations to make.
You have to take it easy on yourself and everyone. There's this feeling I'm having.
What feeling?
Never mind. I think my mind is playing tricks on me.
Well, I will not persuade you to tell me what it is. But I beg you, please, do not dissuade me.
I won't. Let your will be your driving force. Go.
See.
The blood of the innocent.
Be safe.
How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste?
Agon, where are you marching to?
I went to the house, but I didn't see you, so I suspected you might have gone to Amaka's place to see the mother.
Okay, now you have seen me. Can we go back home?
No. Not when I'm here already. I need to go there and condole with her.
That's so thoughtful of you. How about your friend, Ime?
Wait. Please, let's go back home so you can rest. The beast is busy killing people here and there. It has even killed the Lolo and her guard.
That's not possible.
It has happened though.
How? See, I am looking for that beast to kill it.
Huh? Please, let's go back home. This arrogance you inherited from our father is about to bring your legs out. I don't want to lose you. You know you're all I have.
Sure, ma. Go to the house. Prepare something to eat, okay? Amy might be coming for supper.
Let's go. Your brother is a warrior. Miss,
You know you are all I have, okay?
Amaka, come now.
Where are you headed?
His Majesty the King asked me to call on you, sir.
To Kolonowu.
Yes, my prince.
What happened?
I don't really know, my prince. But as we are returning from the sack, we saw Ugoloma the priestess coming out at the threshold of the palace.
Ugoloma came to the palace.
Yes, my prince.
This is serious. How was the search?
No trace of them.
Okay, you may go, but do make sure to see me when you're back.
Father.
Yes.
Your food is ready. Should I serve you?
Yes, please.
Really? Greetings, Ono.
Greetings. What is the problem?
His Majesty the King requested to see your presence at the palace immediately.
Majesty wants me to be with you.
Yes or no?
In his palace.
Yes or no?
Go back to His Royal Majesty. Tell him that when the rope of relationship is cut, it has an obvious lump, even if it is amendable. Tell him that I will not come. Mambia, go.
Father, was that the best option?
Yes, my daughter. A rat does not eat the fish kept under its care. In fact, forget about that food.
I should not serve you again?
No.
Hey, out. You, out. Father, we need to talk.
Is that the greeting that I expect from you? By the way, where have you been?
Where do I start? Your distrust for the woman who brought me forth? Or your betrayal of a relationship with a man whose integrity you always sang to me as a song?
Mr. Son, since yesterday I have never had a moment of peace or restful nerves. Don't add to my misery.
Father, you brought misery upon yourself and this palace. You and that glutton of a seer, whom I suspect has hoodwinked you with his charm.
How dare you vomit that rubbish from your mouth? The same seer that you accuse was attacked by that same beast a moment ago.
If that be the truth, then it marks the beginning of his doom. But whatever be the case, if I don't see my mother before tomorrow evening, by the gods I will set this palace on fire.
Greetings, my king. Honor will sworn never to step his feet into this palace again.
He said that?
Yes, my king.
Get out.
Thank you, my king.
Is it true that the beast attacked the palace here?
Yes, so we heard.
Are you sure?
At least that is what our source told us.
Ah, your source. That your source must be the joker of the year. No one can do that to the mighty Utobo. No one. Anyway, I just decided to hear from you.
Can I take my leave?
Ah, you can go.
Danger, 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 I see danger. Danger, evil is lurking, lurking, lurking. Evil is sprawling, sprawling, sprawling.
Namaka. Hey. I'm very sorry. Don't worry. It's all right. It's all right, my dear. It's all right. I'm very sorry I have not come since I heard of what happened. That your daughter is dead. I'm very sorry. You see, I have been on the move since the menace of the evil beast. I just had little chance. I said, let me come to console you. Please, take heart, my dear. Take heart. You know?
I want to ask, what are the elders doing about this evil bird that's perched on our roofs? Eh? I heard it has taken the life of Lolo too. No, what is happening to us?
I don't worry. The situation will be taken care of. Ugoloma, the priestess, has a clue and solution on the menace. And by the gods, the situation will be arrested. Don't worry, my dear.
Oh no.
Yes, my dear.
Will Amaka be back? I cannot lose my only child in such a ridiculous manner. Oh no. How can she just disappear just like that? Oh no, just like that.
Just take me for my words.
Hey.
Take me for my words. Ugoloma will do something about it. Don't worry. Now, who knows if in her own case, she will be alive. I just learned there was no trace of blood in the scene, as in the case of others that were killed. Calm down, my dear. You know, calm down. You don't need to hurt yourself the more. Eh?
Chimo.
It's all right. It's all right. Let me be on my way now. Ndo?
igatona jife Angwa bara kamja igatona nja igatona nja
Kawa mwadi no amili ncha bayanya. So were it not for the curiosity of those little urchins, this woman would have sent me to an early grave, and all my dreams will go to grave. Ugoloma. Ayaka kwakwana na mbachi wabo mo. N'Enugu ukwu nwekwe n'obo anya abrokwa n'anya febuka. You are beginning to cross your bounds. You are wielding your powers that is beyond your bounds. Ugolama. Kaichezia na akamba. The only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. The only mortal that has the footsteps of a tiger. If you think that the snail is stupid by moving gently on thorns, then watch me tell you why women have 2 holes in between their legs. When I return, we shall see.
Mother, what is the matter? Why are you weeping?
Daughter, I weep is not because I am frail, but I weep for the land. I weep for the catastrophe that looms in the air.
Mother, you are scaring me.
Such words should not proceed out of your mouth. You are the hope of Umosoro land, for the mantle of Umosoro is with you now. I will not be there, but you will be there.
Your last words scares me more.
I said enough. Enough, my daughter. We are the daughters of water, dedicated to the waters. We flow like the current of the river. When our time comes, we flow into the mother ocean. And that is a thing of joy and not sorrow.
Mother, are you going to die?
I do not say so. That is to give way for another priestess. I do not weep for you. Rather, I am happy that my bower brought forth the white horse that will save the land. Ma, tomorrow, I will lead you through a journey to your destiny.
Uno's action is beginning to trouble me. All these things happening. The attack on Otobo. The mysterious disappearance of 2 corpses. We have a delicate pregnancy that requires dexterity in its midwifery. Who shall I run to?
Run to me! Run to me! Igwe, run to me. Huh? What kind of a king are you? That you have refused to see the reality on ground.
Are you a human being or a monitoring spirit? Why do you always bump in on me when I'm in such moods?
That is because I care about you, your health, and the entire kingdom. Since you have refused to see the judgment of the gods on your immoral wife for what it is, I should continue to monitor you before they kill you for me and make me husbandless.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it for you?
I will not shut this mouth, oh. I will not shut it. Since you have been blinded by stupidity you call love, I will keep talking until you come back to your senses.
How dare you! How dare you!
Greetings, my prince.
Welcome. Were you among the search party that said they saw the two men who claimed Utobo was attacked by the wolf?
Yes, my prince.
Do you think they were telling the truth?
My prince, I believe them. But I started having doubts when Ilochi confirmed that he warded off the wolf the previous time it attacked them. But Ime, his friend, confirmed it was true.
Ilochi, the son of Agaba the hunter?
Yes, my prince.
There must be credibility in what he said. Okay, I'll have you call him for me whenever I need him.
Okay, my prince.
Let me go.
Utobo, the only mortal standing on hilltop observing mankind. He with the footsteps of a tiger. Onye sini lo mwejuneji agano guadroma. Anya waziani we meli kemanya jiwe mwogele nabo.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Is my prince around?
Yes, my princess.
Okay, but do you know if he's in his chambers or with the king?
No. I just finished cleaning the throne room. I guess he must be at his chambers.
Thank you. What's that your name again?
Also,
I won't forget next time.
My love, you know you shouldn't have gone to this extent.
To what extent? My love, I can swim across the ocean to bring pleasure to my hero and king in the making.
I always thank the gods that we're meant for each other.
I thank the gods also. Please eat. I know you're famished.
Okay, that reminds me. How is Naija?
My love, my father has been behaving strangely since he got the king's call yesterday.
And my father has not been himself since Onowu refused to come.
My love, please eat, okay? Let's not truncate our joy with their problems. I know they will solve it real soon.
My king, your meal is served in your chamber.
I have lost it for food.
I may be young, but my little advice can still be useful to the Lion of Umosoro. I think you're overreacting. If the gods decide to punish an adulterous woman, will you kill yourself because of her?
I have gotten your message. And thank you for your little advice. You may leave.
Leave to where? How can I leave when my husband has been blinded by his love for an adulterous old witch?
I said leave!
Eno wabuni fonye metalu, wabuni fonye metalu, nyaka geji kuyugo. Eno wabuni fonye metalu, wabuni fonye metalu, nyaka geji kuyugo. Oje me manelu, ejirima we kwa yugo, imbe njone nuwa, ejirima we kwa gugo. I knew you would come. I knew it.
Akreka the hurricane. You know very well that I flew from a distant land and it was a turbulent one. Won't you welcome me first before you start casting aspersions on me?
There is no act more noble than confronting a friend or welcoming a friend with the truth of life. You got a little power and you sped off.
Akreka, please, let us not continue to dwell on the errors of the past. Please.
You came because your powers were defied by a mere mortal, and you narrowly escaped it from the hand of God. Didn't I warn you?
Yes, you did. And I have come to the realization that when a mosquito lands on a man's testicle, that very man will learn to resolving issues without violence. I have come to complete the ritual of immortality.
Utobo, it's not as simple as it seems. You must have to sleep over. Because any person tired with the brightness of the daylight cannot be equated with the one tired with the darkness of the night. You will have to sleep over.
Akreka the hurricane.
Kutubu gozali kamfuoko.
Ipu inkendeli.
Kamfuoko na baba konabu azala.
Onye. Jaga nugu aderomo. Anya kuzili ife batalike mwanya jimu.
Utobo na bomna wayo. Enwam.
Akreka no. Akreka oki kule buamo.
Enwam.
Akreka no.
Ilochi. Ilochi.
Osandu.
Choma, where is your brother?
He just went out to see his friend Eme. This one you came to look for him. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. The prince wants to see him for something. He wants his help.
Okay. I was scared when I saw you. You know you palace people don't come to look for us in vain.
Give your brother the message I gave to you now.
I'll do just that. This palace, you're really enjoying it too. You've added so much weight.
Choma, I'm not here for your flattering. I beg to take my leave.
Okay, I'll pass your message to my brother.
Osandu, where are you rushing from?
I am coming from your place. I only met your sister, Choma.
My place? I hope all is well.
There's no problem, Lochi. The prince asked me to send for you. He wants you to help him out on something very important.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, go tell the prince I'll come later. Okay, I just went out with my friend. I need to go to the house and eat.
Huh? Right.
Okay, alright.
Ugolama, oh, Ikesinachi, Anyanyama, if I may be gone away, Nimai, Abagini can messing Abangena Tanyara.
Ilochi, I called you here to confirm that you saw the mysterious beast yourself.
Yes, my prince.
You did?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Well, nothing. I just want to see it again and kill it.
You think you can do that?
My prince, anyone can do that. Anyone with the heart of a real man. You see, my prince, that thing is an apparition. My father taught me so much about humans turning into white beasts to attack them when they go for hunting. And I've watched my father kill so many of them.
In that case, I'll come learn the art from you now that your father is no more.
Well, my prince, you don't need me. Ugoloma the priestess is there at your beck and call. She was the one that guided my dad through the whole process.
You will be my accomplice on this. But please, let no one hear about it.
My prince, I come from the lineage of great hunters. Secrecy runs in our bloodline.
Thank you.
Thank you, my prince.
You may go.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings.
Just coming from your place, no one at home.
Is Sugoma not at home?
I saw her at the palace. Maybe she's still there. But His Royal Majesty still wants you.
Didn't Osandu tell him what I said yesterday?
Oh no. His Majesty is troubled. He specifically instructed me to come and get you, thinking I will be able to persuade you.
Ebube, you are the longest lasting guard. And of course, the chief guard. You know the enormity of the accusation leveled against me. The only way I can be exonerated from this accusation is taking the oath of innocence at Ogogo Shrine. So go back and tell him that I am waiting for the summon.
Utobo. Utobo. The only mortal standing on the hilltop watching mortal. You have dwelled overnight on this shrine of Africa. You could come on. No mortal. No mortal can hurt you in any form. Here remaineth the last part of the ritual. Hold on and see
Agrega. William Mutobe atubangu tina na zone.
Congratulations, Utobo. Go and deal with your enemies.
Nam, don't you think it will be better you go see the king and resolve this matter amicably? Remember the tie that both families have.
What ties? Which is more important? The ties or your father's reputation and life? Listen, it is out of maturity that I did not ask you to stop going to the palace or even stop Ikenna the prince from coming to this place.
Father, to that extent?
Yes, my daughter, to that extent. The king fell to Utobo's prank. He believed in him to the detriment of our aged relationship.
Maybe he wants to make amends.
What amend? No, what amend? Eh? Will that amendment bring back the late queen? Eh? No, tell me. Will it? How will I exonerate myself from this? When the death of the queen it justifies the allegation leveled against me. Listen, my dear. The solution is to take the oath. If I am guilty, let the gods judge me and possibly kill me. But if I am not, let him bear the consequences.
My son, I called you here because I want you to go and see your father-in-law to be. I feel he's overreacting.
Father, I think both of you should resolve this matter yourselves.
How will we resolve it if he has refused to come for the resolution? Are you not aware that I have even sent the chief guard, Ebube, to call him, yet he refused to come? If he continues this way, I may be forced to move against him. After all, it's my wife, the queen, who was killed and her corpse missing. I should be the one feeling this way.
I feel his reaction is because of your response to what that your useless seer said.
My son, I don't want you calling anybody names until innocence is established. And like I said, I may be forced to take action against him if he continues this way.
Why that strange look on your face? Is the king on his throne?
Yes, he is with the prince.
Father, you're the one who is overreacting now.
How dare you, son?
What is happening here? Whatever it is that is making you to raise your voice, I plead with you to calm down because Utobo is here.
Utobo is here?
That is me.
I was told that the beast attacked you and that you had burns all over your body.
My king, Utobo can Utobo will fool you. The only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. What if I get me makanom abufudi kiri na nyom manko? Okay, you're talking about the beast attack. Yes, I was attacked by a beast, but not the beast you are thinking of.
What? Is there another beast?
I was attacked by a beast that rose up to cover the crime I exposed. I am talking about Ugoloma. Ugoloma, the pervert priestess. I strongly believe she is an accomplice.
Rubbish.
Ikenna, come back here.
If you don't mind, don't bother yourself. He will come back to his senses. By the time he sees that all the evil doers, that the gods of our land are dealing with them, he will return to his senses. If you must know, I traveled far to the land of the spirits. I am back, fully equipped, and I have unsheathed my sword for proper cleansing.
Rush to Ugoloma's house. Tell her that Utobo is at it again. And this time, he has involved her in her life.
Okay, my prince.
She'll understand. If she's not there, go to Miramar Stream, you'll find her.
Okay, my
prince.
Hurry!
Hurry,
my prince.
What do you think you're doing? Are you out of your mind? Do you want us to be seen?
Olama, you are the one that have gone out of your mind because you have refused to see that we are now in charge.
What are you talking about? His Majesty must not see us or even hear you say what you've just said.
Do you know that His Majesty is now under my control? I have regained his confidence. I am in total control of his mind. In fact, he is now in my palm, so needless of this hide and seek.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You will understand by the time I am done hatching all my plans. For now, there are things I need to take care of, important issues. I'll see you later.
Where's he now? Where is he?
My prince, what is the problem?
Stop asking me questions and tell me where he is.
He left the house this morning to go get some herbs, saying he's not feeling well.
Which farm did he go to?
I can't say for sure, but what is the matter?
Can you at least recall the farm he gets his herbs from?
Oh yes, I remember our farm at Iyakwa.
Okay. Now you go to Ugoloma's house on Miramar Stream while I go for him.
No! I am going with you since you refuse to tell me what the matter is.
should have known that you are the viper behind the mask. But today, you will be unmasked.
Who will give you the opportunity to do that?
Opportunity? I don't need any opportunity. Because I know I have the knowledge of neutralizing your venom.
Oh, no. If you are banking on that elusive confidence given to you by that evil woman called Ugoloma, I tell you, you lie! When the animal learns the strategy of a hunter, the hunter employs a different strategy of shooting skills. You know that very well.
Let us see who is the hunter and who the animal is.
This is the voice of a dead man. You dare Utobo, no. The only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. No one yes in the long way to Naija no guadroma. Utobo ya kusulie no nyama utobo wonya mali ve bataloga na bochwe de nikawanya. Oh yeah, megana re no diga kamfego bana chereja. Hey!
My love, let us go. It's not safe here, okay? Let's leave here now.
Oh no! I'm not going anywhere. Let the beast come and kill me as well.
Stop being irrational. How would that solve anything? Let's leave here now. It's not safe.
No! 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 I'm not,
let's go.
No.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let us go now.
Let the beast come and kill me. Father!
Let's go. Let's go. Just get up. Let's leave here. It's not safe. Let's go.
Hey, I said it.
Eh? What is it again? Igwe. Hey! Igwe. Onowu. The beast has finally killed Onowu. I said it, Igwe. Onye si n'ilo ọmụ eju na-eji aga n'ogwu adịrọ mma. Anyị agwa emekpata ike nwa ya ji wee nwe oghere na-abọ. It has happened.
Father!
What is it?
Father, the beast has killed Onowu.
What?
Yes, but we didn't see his body. We only saw his cutlass and his chieftaincy cap.
What's going on? I saw his corpse. Yes.
You passed by his farm? Utobo, why are you always the one who sees their dead bodies?
My prince, what are you trying to get at? Eh? Please. My business always takes me to either the farmlands or the bush parts. Eh? Igwe, please, let us not allow argument to distract us. What just happened? I smell a rat. I need to get to Ugoloma's house. I must be in her place.
I'm going with you. Ikenna, you will not think of that. Let the guards go with you.
No, Igwe. Let us play safe. We are talking about spiritual fight here. Don't expose him to danger. Eh? I need to get there fast.
But I insist I go with you. No.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. What? Ogini. Onye. What is it? Your Majesty. What is the excitement all about? It's happening, no. Nemesis have caught up with your enemies. What are you talking about? Your Majesty, the mysterious beast has finally killed Uno. Are you sure of what you're saying? Yes. The palace here just brought the formation. I knew it. I said it. That Nemesis will soon catch up with all of them. One by one. Utobo Ekweme Ofonye Kunugu Nechoboya, the only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. That is it. Go back to your duty, but open your eyes. Anything that happens, rush, hurry, come and tell me. Okay, Mama.
Ugolama! Come out here! Come out here, Ugolama! Ugolama! Ugolama!
And who is that mad dog shouting the name of the priestess of Miriam without respect?
Who is this little rat? Kanzeiwem, let me pardon your ignorance because you are a little child. Where is your mother?
What business do you have with my mother?
What an affront! You are growing wings! I am going to clip off those wings from you if you have learned not to respect people. Where is your mother, Ugoloma, I ask?
If you have any information from my mother, you can give it to me and keep your empty stress to yourself.
Nkete, you little rat, dare me. Utobo Emukwanya Mubu utobo fonye kunugune chendogwe. Asebana adaka na emwebu ofu ana emwewala obale ya okwana utobo na ekwu maka na utobo na agba enwe na eri enwe maka na mmala ebe enwe ba anu mmala ebe enwe ba anu se. I am going to deal with you, you little rat. See me long way to the jack and no quadrumwa. But see you have a tally come on at you. Just really happened? That little mouse? Mom. When in your belly top on Utobo for you know legend of where Utobo Malabago. Ma wasn't I America man you were more than an apple.
My prince.
How did it go?
My prince, I'm afraid it was only my son in the house and she sounded very strange.
What? My love,
it?
please wait inside. I'll see you later.
Why?
I need to be at Masinachi's house now. That strange beast has gone there.
No, we shall go there together. Whatever happens should happen to both of us.
You cannot.
kind of person are you? In the midst of all this tension and crisis in the land, all you can think about is how to lay with me.
What is
this
wrong
hot
with
afternoon?
What is wrong with it? Are you not my husband?
So?
And what crisis are you even talking about? That Nemesis is catching up with these evil people.
It's like I can't
This is even the best time for that.
I can't understand you. Why leave me alone? What's all this?
Eh? I won't leave you alone, no. Because you must perform your conjugal duty. It's a must.
Okay, I promise.
Promise what?
It's too hot, eh? I promise. Later tonight.
Tonight?
Yes.
You promise?
I promise.
Don't give me excuses, oh.
No, not at all.
You must, oh.
I must.
Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. Tonight now, I will come. Give me excuses, you will see. Let's see. Oh, now that I'm in the mood, I'm even in the mood. Eh?
I just promised tonight.
Tonight. My love!
My love, what is even wrong with us? We're going for one's rescue and we don't even have a machete.
Do you think we need a machete? This is a spiritual war.
I know, my love. There's this neck bead my father says I should always wear whenever I'm going out. I forgot it at home. Let's go back and pick it.
Neck bead?
Yes.
Why didn't he wear it when he was going out this morning?
I can't answer that. I can't. Let's just go and pick them in case his own is still at home. My love, let's go.
Okay, let's hurry. Let's hurry, please.
No. Utobo will not take this. I can't take this. Utobo, the only mortal that is on top of the hill observing mankind. The only mortal with the footsteps of a tiger. No. I can't call him Udelele, ude zulibo, ayemene ibom. Okutobo. Tambaziania, ibe melani kamanya molole na.
Where are you running to? Remember, one does not run away from his refuge.
Ma, we were on our way to your house to protect you from Utobo.
Yes. You have seen that Umasinachi has graduated from a dancer to something else. Thanks for your noble desire. But know it that it is Uma that will save you from renegade Utobo. Ugo, yeah? You may go inside and bring the beads you came for. Why the reactions? Has it not been your constant desire for me? Hand one over to the prince. Ugo should hold it out.
Huh? Okay.
Ugo has gone to fortify himself again. This is not effective enough to ward him off. Now, it can ward off the beast. Wear it everywhere you are. Though I have sealed this compound, you will never come in again. Never.
You mean Utobo is the beast?
Did you hear me say that? I'm done with you.
Ma! Masna!
What's your problem? You promised me.
I don't know what is happening to me.
What's the meaning of that?
I can't register erection anymore. My body is dead.
Wrong with you? We were almost caught and you're here, acting as if nothing happened.
What would have happened? Utobo is in charge. You should not be afraid. I am in charge.
You know what? Leave.
What did you just say?
You have to go now before things get worse.
You are talking to Utobo. Are you actually asking me to leave your chamber?
That is exactly what I am doing. Leave? Do you want me to scream? Should I? The spike of the porcupine should not deceive it to challenge a leopard to a fight. That your proverb will not save you from the impending calamity that awaits you. Even your toothless husband cannot prevent that. You may think you have succeeded, but you cannot fool the gods. The gods have taken sides. That is why someone has been indoors wetting the entire floor with her tears. We shall see who laughs last. There's no point waiting for the last laugh, because the gods have judged you. Banishment awaits you.
do that again. It's only the evil that runs when nothing pursues it. I sense quietness. The palace is ostensibly quiet today. I'm sure you are glad about that.
No, not exactly. Princess of Miriama, no.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you would prefer the serenity. Go ahead to where you were going. Manamatako! Okuko Nwaro and Ajube also. It's when they found fact that the ground pursues it.
Action is beginning to trouble me. All these things happening. The attack on October. The mysterious disappearance of 2 corpses. We have a delicate pregnancy that requires dexterity in its midwifery. Who shall I run to?
Run to me! Run to me! If we run to me. Huh? What kind of that you have refused to see the reality on ground?
Are you a human being or a monitorist? Why do you always bump in on me when I'm in such moods?
That is because I care about you, your health, and the entire kingdom. Since you have refused to see the judgment of the courts on your immoral wife for what it is, I should continue to monitor you before they kill you for me and make me husbandless.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it?
I will not shut this mouth up. I will not shut it. Since you have been blinded by stupidity you call love, I will keep talking until you come back to your senses.
How dare you! Okay.
What's your problem? You promised me.
You know what is happening to me.
What's the meaning of that?
I can't register erection anymore. My body is dead.
What do you think you're doing? Are you out of your mind? Do you want us to be seen?
Malama, you are the one that have gone out of your mind because you have refused to see that we are now in charge.
What are you talking about? His Majesty must not see us or even hear you say what you just said.
Do you know that His Majesty is now under my control? I have regained his confidence. I am in total control of his mind. In fact, he is now in my palm, so needless of this hide and seek.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You will understand by the time I am done hatching all my plans. For now, there are things I need to take care of, important issues. I'll see you later.
Ibube,
my king.
You will go to the Palacia's place and call him. Then send somebody to Goloma's place and ask her to see me as well. I must see to the end of this madness today.
My king, I was told Ogoloma is not reachable. Osondu said the prince has sent him to her, but when he got there he met a daughter that claims her mother cannot be seen.
What's the meaning of that nonsense? Could this confirm Utobo's words that she has a hand in this? Anyway, that reminds me. He was supposed to have gone for her yesterday, but he didn't come back with any report.
I wouldn't know, my king.
Then go to him fast. Tell him to come and see me immediately. Okay? He's the only one who can solve all the riddles in this palace these past days. Go.
She's in the land, everyone is around it, wandering and panting.
Wise one. Greetings, wise one.
Chief Guard, you met me well. Come and join me.
Greeting, wise one. A slave doesn't tell proverbs. There is urgency in the palace that requires your presence, and His Royal Majesty said you should come with me.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll be there soon. But you can see I'm doing justice to this food. So tell His Majesty that I'll come and join. And I actually have some other things to accomplish today. I need to come up well.
All right. Please, don't delay.
Got on and judge, it got on and judge, it got on a jiffy. Obumadu, it got on and judge, it got on and judge.
Your Majesty, you have gone through enough stress these days. That alone can make a man to be impotent. It's not exactly what I am saying. I think you deserve some rest.
Utobo, you know I am not a child. I know what I feel. Anyway, I'll do as you said. But what about the other issue you mentioned? What is the outcome?
Oh, Your Majesty, what do you expect? When a child raises his father up, that child either turns blind or will become a dwarf automatically.
That's true.
She eloped. She eloped and abandoned that her little mouse alone in the house. Your Majesty, does such an act reveal a true servant of the gods?
Otuba, are you sure of what you just said? So what do we do now?
Yeah. Your Majesty, leave that to me. Your Majesty, by the time I am done with her, she will come publicly and confess. And when the gods begin to deal with her, it will be according to our own dictates. But for now, you deserve some rest.
That's true.
Your Majesty, and you know where you so.
You have done well.
Don't bother yourself. No, Utobo. Utobo never could hear. Only a quere and your quetelia. Only a quere and your we are only a quere when you tell when. Macano Utobo won your malo.
Utobo, you just told me I deserve some rest.
Hey, you can
rest.
Okay, you go. Chatonai. What Utobo? Was this not part of our plan? We planned that I should make his manhood to stop working. Was it not what we planned earlier?
The way you're going about the whole thing will make our entire plan suspicious.
I don't care. I don't care what anybody feels about this. I don't care who suspects what. Can't you understand that we are running out of time? I have strategically and systematically removed every of our major obstacles. The king, Ibe, is dying slowly and you know it. Then as for his son, the prince, I am going to make sure I kill that senseless boy. You know what? I cannot let you bear him a son. That I will not tolerate. because it is going to ruin every of my plan. Yes, you can't take him for him. That is why I have to maintain what I have done.
All you know is yourself. You don't even consider other people's feelings.
How do you mean that I don't consider other people's feelings? Have you forgotten that I am the one that maneuvered you into this very palace? Eh? You are now the queen. I made you the queen in this palace. Are you not enjoying the accolades? No, answer me. Are you not enjoying the accolades? Every of my plan is to ascend the throne with you. Yes, as my queen. And I must achieve that. Listen, you really need to come and give this to me. Let me perform that which the king cannot practically do now. Eh?
Not today.
Ichi. Tomorrow. Are you sure?
Go fast now.
Obumadu Igatonanja. The blood of the innocent. How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste? Igatonanja. Igatona jive. Awa barakamja. Igatonanja. Oh, Madu Igatona jive. Oh.
Olama. Hey! Hey! Allo! Utobo! Utobo! Yeah. My prince.
Mother! Mother!
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
The blood of the innocent. What do you want to me back? How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste?
After all I had done for you. What a shame.
In the absence of goodwill and determination, evil tribe. The land that used to be so peaceful, loving and kind to its people.
Now my life.
America, why are you crying?
The beast has killed Amaka. Hey, Chibo. What am I going to tell her mother?
Sure of what you're saying?
Yes. Amaka was running right behind me when the beast caught up with her. I turned but sped up almost immediately.
America, you don't have to feel that way. It is not your fault.
I was the one that convinced Amaka to follow us to the stream.
And what kind of wild animal is that? I have never seen or heard of it.
It looks like a bush dog. But he has 2 heads.
Amaka.
Here.
Yes, but I'm surprised that. Hey,
Angole.
Namaka.
What do you say white beast killed my daughter now? How can you joke with a thing of that magnitude?
Namaka, we're running in front. It was Angole and Namaka that were behind. She's the one that said the white beast. I didn't see any.
Of course, I saw it on her.
But there's no sign of blood here now.
Can't you see the marks? Can't you see the marks of the struggling on the ground?
No sign of blood.
Namaka, believe me, because I know. I saw it on her, believe me.
What have you done to my daughter?
I didn't do anything to her.
to my own friend. Hey! Chima! It's my daughter!
That was how Ugoloma saved me.
Hey! But where have you been since? Hey!
Honestly. That is secret for the gods.
May the name of the gods be praised.
My
daughter, please, go to the backyard and take your bath. Let me prepare something for you to eat. Eh?
Where is Ibere?
She came to my house, but she said you want to go and call before me.
Oh yeah, go.
You're welcome.
Go.
You're welcome.
Hey! Chukwu Okikabia. Ugoloma! May the gods of our land bless you. May the gods of our land bless you.
Evil is lurking. Evil is sprawling.
How dare you lay your filthy hands on me, you adulterous woman?
Out of my way, you grave destined Pluto. I will do that again if you remain alive.
You dare me, Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop, observing mankind. We shall see who is grave destined. Onye sini lomo ejuneji aga no gwadroma. Anya agwa ebe melike mwanya jimwogere nabo.
Mother! Yes? What happened to you, mother? Talk to me, please. Mother! Mother! Somebody help me! Mother, no, you... Mother! Where's around?
Your Majesty, Igwe! Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
What is it?
Your Majesty. It's Her Majesty.
What happened to her? What did she do again?
She did nothing. But Igwe, something terrible happened to Her Majesty.
What?
The beast that appears in your dream appeared in the physical and devoured her.
What?
I saw her corpse on my way going home.
Where?
Father, we need to go help mother. She's lying helpless.
I said it. I saw her corpse, Igwe.
Whose corpse? She's not dead. I met her alive.
Is she still alive?
Hey, Utobo, cut off all this rubbish, Utobo. Let's go to the palace.
Let's go.
I saw her here, I'm sure.
This is exactly where I met her corpse.
Can someone tell me exactly what is going on here?
Father, I saw mother lying on this floor, gasping for breath. I ran towards her, took her in my hands. You can see the blood on the floor. Where will she come out of the palace unaccompanied by any guard?
My prince, she left with Chikwado, her guards, her personal guard.
Then why is he not here? Why didn't he come back to report? Now, take some other guys and go and look for them everywhere. Search everywhere. Look for Chikwado. And then send someone to get me the town crier. Quickly. Follow me.
Mother.
People of Umosora, I greet you. You will agree with me that these past few days have been very trying moments for us in Umosora Kingdom. But thanks to our ancestors, we got the victory.
Yeah.
And then we are celebrating today the union of my son, Prince Ikenna, and Ugo, who is now a princess. And by the powers conferred on me by the gods of Umosoro land, I hereby declare that your marriage will be fruitful.
Ise.
May the gods bless you on Ekede.
Ise.
Bless you on Nkwode.
Ise.
Bless you on Afode.
Ise.
And bless you on Oriade. Our ancestors will bless you with male children. Bless you with female children. And you shall live happily ever after.
Yeah.
I hereby declare you husband and wife.
Let
the music begin.
Anyanyam.